Hi, this video is here to help you how to have a good use of the help coming with Godot. In this video, I will explain which help you should use and how to use it efficiently in your journey of a game developer. So one of the reasons I really like Godot is good documentation. And it comes with two documentation when you are using your Godot engine. The first one is included with Godot and you can find it here. It is the search help. And the second one is the online documentation. The difference is that the search one is coming with Godot. It's included. When you download your Godot engine, your file, your engine, you do have your documentation, search documentation, which is actually the one I'm using right now. If you click on search help, you got it, okay? And the second one is the online documentation. And this one, you need to have internet connectivity to go to this documentation. This one, you don't need anything. It's already included with your Godot engine. And you can see the difference when I'm hovering my mouse under the two. Here you see search the reference documentation, and here you see online documentation. So here I'm clicking, I'm going straight to the Godot online documentation when you have all your needs, and you can make search for anything, for example, Node 2D, okay, and straight going to the Node 2D. So what's the difference between the two? The main difference is that the search documentation is one for the reference, saying that each class you are using on your GDScript, for example, you can have it right from your engine, and you can actually put your mouse on any one of the text that you have in your code and just press Alt F1 to go straight to the class reference. And you can see here we have vector2, method, class, and whatever you're looking for vector2, you do have this side. And when I open, I go directly to the class reference for vector2. And this is really amazing. The guys have made a really good job from Godot. You see, for each class reference, you can have an online tutorials about this subject. For example, talking about vector2, you do have an online tutorial on how to use vector2. So this is, if you're a good programmer, actually you have all you need. You have the properties for the class, you have the methods, you have constants, for example, property description, method description. You have all you need as a game developer or a developer. You have all you need. But if you want to have real example tutorial about what you are the subject, you can go straight from the search reference. You go to the online one, and on the online one, what do you have? You do have examples about the class reference. For example, this is math, and I can go, and if you have a lot of one, you can, like this one, I can go to the vector one. This is one of my favorite places, and I go here to search on how have a good grasp about the vector math. So maybe the vector2 was not a better example on how to use documentation, and I think the kinematic body 2D is the better one. And same, you can do an Alt F1 to go to the class reference, open, that's it, you do have your class reference. And same, you can have also the online tutorials, which is actually a real tutorial about on how using the kinematic body 2D. If you're okay with the help, the included help, you do also have all the references of your class, properties, methods, property description, method description. You do have you do need to have a good grasp of object-oriented techniques, of course. That's it. But If you need more help, more tutorial, you go to the online one, click here, and that's it. And you're on the online help. So what I like about the online help is more explanation about the kinematic body. What is a kinematic body? What is a movement and collision? You do have all the help you need right here. And the amazing thing that you do have code example. For example, GDScript 1 on how you use, for example, how detecting collision in this example. And you do have two languages, JavaScript and C#. And actually you you use directly your code, you do a copy paste and test it on your project and have a good grasp for yourself about the subject. So that's it. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to hit this like and notification button to have other of my videos. So see you soon.